Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer customer profiles from Zoho to Monday.com, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Zoho account. Navigate to the Customers module in your Zoho CRM dashboard. Select the customer profiles you wish to transfer. Click on the Export option, usually found in the top right corner. Choose the format for the export, preferably CSV or Excel. Download the exported file to your computer. Next, log in to your Monday.com account. Create a new board or select an existing board for the customer profiles. Click on the Add Item button to import data. Choose the Import option from the drop-down menu. Select the file you downloaded from Zoho. Follow the prompts to map the columns from Zoho to the corresponding fields in Monday.com. Ensure all necessary fields are correctly aligned. Once done, click on the Import button to start the transfer. Wait for the system to process the import. Review the newly imported customer profiles in Monday.com. Make any adjustments as needed to fit your workflow. That's how you successfully transfer customer profiles from Zoho to Monday.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.